I've got this sweeper here after many years. The catch doesn't hold it in place. And I'm sure there's many thousands out there that have this problem. With this little catch right here, just doesn't hold no more because it's a cheap piece of plastic, it just snaps off. And it lets this whole thing fall down, which can hit you in the face or in the eye, even worse. Mainly because instead of putting a spring in it, they wanted to save 50 cents, I guess. And they don't care after it's been sold. Cheap piece of plastic snap that they have. Some people actually drill holes in them, put springs in them, which takes a while, but what I see is a way that's much quicker and a lot easier and simpler. I've got two little bungee cords here that are about the size of a shoestring, 9 inches long. You don't want these metal clips to get underneath that little catch or snap. And it's mainly like a rubber band to hold the catch up all the time. So, I just hook it on like that. And it automatically comes up all the time. Then you don't have to worry about it hitting you in the face or getting hurt by it falling back on you and you're not realizing it. And then it holds it up and it ain't dropping on you as you're moving it around or anything. Just got to make sure that the metal piece doesn't go underneath it, but that's a simple, quick fix. It may only take you 5 to 10 seconds. Thanks for watching.